Did you know heating accounts for more than 60% of your home's energy use every year? In London, Ontario, homeowners Sheri and Pat are enjoying the benefits of their new hybrid system.
So the air conditioner needed to be replaced. And so then, of course, we looked at the furnace and said it probably should go too, even though it's got a little bit more life in it.
As we researched the hybrid system, we realized how much energy savings or how much clean energy is involved as opposed to traditional air conditioner and furnace.
Hybrid heating is a more efficient way to heat and cool your home, so you can save energy year-round and reduce your carbon footprint. Hybrid heating systems are made up of an electric air source heat pump, a condensing natural gas furnace, and smart controls programmed to adapt to gas and electricity rates, the weather, and equipment efficiency levels. When temperatures are moderate or electricity rates are low, smart controls signal the electric air source heat pump to heat your home. When temperatures are lower, or at times when electricity rates are at their peak, the system automatically switches to the condensing natural gas furnace, ensuring your home stays warm on cold winter days. In warmer months, your home will also be cooled efficiently by the heat pump, which acts like a typical air conditioner.
So the installation went very smoothly. They were here for a day, and then they set everything up.
They handled all the paperwork. A check showed up from the program. The house is much more even in temperature.
So we would definitely recommend a hybrid system.
Hybrid heating is already helping Ontarians move toward a clean energy future. To learn more about hybrid heating and to sign up, visit enbridgegas.com/hybrid heating.